A did emission but it doesn't glow like you expected? What you're looking for is a glare effect. Hi everyone, today I show you how to add a glare effect when making an object emit light. Let's start by changing the pupil shading to rendered. You probably already know that increasing emission makes an object glow. With the emission turned up, open the compositor. Check use nodes and connect the glare node lighter to render layers. Set the glare type to bloom and you are all set. You can either render it to see the result, or set the compositor option to always within the pupil shading menu to check it immediately. That's it for this one. In this channel, I post wiki style Blender tutorials that are easy to understand. Make sure to like and subscribe.